ready. Let's do it. So we're going to do most of the major cut. We start with dry, and then we're going to spray it, and then we're going to do the rest. When they're quiet, then you know they're sick.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to worry.
Yes, if they're very quiet, they're sick. If they go to bed by themselves, they just fall asleep and I know they're sick.
Yeah. That's no good.
So this is going to be really short, like you say.
Yeah. Right, here goes the first cut. Try it. I mean, you never had it before. You've got a very small feminine face. You still have that heart-shaped face, if you remember.
Okay. And it's heart-shaped. Okay.
It's heart-shaped, yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, how are you doing?
Actually, okay.
Things with hubby okay? Kids alright?
Yes. Well, if you've got nothing to complain about, at least we're all good, eh? Well, Tanita started grade 1 this year, so it's been quite busy. Kiana's still in the crash, so it's from driving from one to the next, so...
So at the moment you're just being a mom, so
yes.
mom's taxi.
Yes, because everyone says, oh, you've got a half-day job, that's so nice. Actually, the first half is nice, the second half when you actually start working. Picking up the kids and helping with homework and then after-school activities, it's... I'm already complaining and she's only in grade 1. Hey? That's her whole school career ahead of her. And my husband also works the whole day, so he gets home late.
Where does he work?
And Centurion works at Bavarian Motorcycles.
Oh, you see.
Yes, so...
It's BMW, eh?
Yes. So that also keeps him busy. And on top of that, he's doing a course this year also. So this year's been a little bit tough on us. Just all the running around. We'll get through it. So. He said he was in a motorbike accident also.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
He drives a motorbike?
Yeah, because it's his work. So, you know, he gets work with motorbike to come home. So the one morning he was on his way to work, and a car came from behind and hit him from behind, and he fell off his bike.
Yeah. And
the car drove off. It was a hit and run. So my husband still managed to get back on the bike and rode after him and stop him.
Just get up for me.
Get up.
I'm spinning around. Let's do Did he not get to...
No, well, he broke his hand. He had an operation on his wrist.
Okay. Sure. No, it's always bad there.
No, he's not riding bike anymore. Can't try things.
Is his hand still sort of damaged?
Oh, it's still in the cast.
Oh, okay.
There's spins in it, so that it pins across. So he won't have his full movement back.
Okay.
So.
Sure. I don't like bikes.
He drives, that's his work, so I can't really...
Yeah,
but he's careful, he's always careful. I mean, like I said, this guy came from behind and knocked him out of the way. And
thing is, people don't look at the bikers, you know.
yes, they don't see them.
Yeah. And of course the taxis and also have got a pretty bad record for striking people.
The road's dangerous place, actually.
Yeah. Alright, here goes. My little model. Good time. A little bit that way for me, thank you. Now it's going to come out so easy. Okay. No more knots.
Honestly, be quiet. Help him.
It's a little bit straight of your back. Just like that, and I'll go and do the cheek.
Very fine.
It is done here.
You didn't really cut it ever short, eh?
Don't
Don't do that there, eh?
Okay.
See where hers is about here. Hers
It's
is
like
about here.
mine.
Yeah, okay, longer. As long as it's a bit longer than yours.
And you see yours, we have to do a little bit shorter because you
School.
at the school and you have to tie it up, but she doesn't have to tie it up for school.
But if you cut it, it won't grow back thicker, or will it just be stronger?
You need to actually just shave very.
Shave.
Yeah. Then it will grow back thicker.
If you want small, we actually cut the hair short, because you still said that time we must cut the hair so we did. It's still.
But yeah, short doesn't really work. You see, when
You
it's
need the
shaved,
water.
it's not right now. Thank you. I'll call you now when I need the water. When you shave it, it actually feel the need
To grow.
to actually
Because the hair has roots.
give more hair to start.
Because it has roots in. There's roots in your hair. Poor Mummy's white says outside saw roots. Poor Mummy's white. This.
And then it's going to be nice to surprise when he gets home to you.
Ready? Does he know you guys are cutting?
Yeah, he knows I'm cutting.
Yeah.
And Talita was begging on Daddy, so Talita, don't touch. Please.
Looks,
Talita, don't
it
touch.
looks finished already.
Yeah, but not really. Now I need to water my assistant.